So which way are you voting? Let's go over some issues and I'll try not to dumb them down like a 10-second political promotion. I mean, let's talk about improving pharmacare. That's universal health care for those of you that care. And if we're talking about the NDP, they mention more prescription drugs approved. But what does that actually mean? I'm wondering how they'll choose which drugs will get screened. And I'm a type 1 diabetic, and I don't mean to sound biased, but I'm hoping coverage will include drugs for diseases that can't be fixed with a simple whole foods diet. I mean, it really is absurd that a type 1 diabetic's insulin still isn't covered. But to be fair, I do like the policy by the Liberal NDP for free access to dental care. But you see, when it comes to NDP, I kind of wish they had more seats, and I wish people could look past whether a leader could be black, white, gray, or a Sikh. And maybe there's something I'm missing when it comes to increasing minimum wage from 14 an hour to 15. I mean, what are we supposed to do with this? I guess it's enough for me to buy something to scratch my back with, maybe grab a rod off Kijiji so I can go and catch some fish. I don't mean to be picky, but I was kind of hoping that one was a prank. But just in case it wasn't, geez, thanks. And the conservatives, they really do try. I promise I'm not mad that the commercials never have a black guy, but they seem interested at increasing health transfer payments, 1.5 billion for new CT machines and MRIs. And that's great, but the next time someone's sick, will this decrease their hospital waits? Someone had to say it, but I do like that they're increasing the eligibility for the disability tax credit. And when it comes to environmental issues, all parties seem interested at improving the conditions. So whether we pay a little more or a little less, who cares as long as the planet's healthy for us to live in? And at the end of the day, the most important thing is taking care of our people. Not to be treated like sheeple, but to be there for each other, like a brother, a father, a sister, or a mother. And at the end of the day, in the macro, it doesn't matter who won. Just remember, we're all Canadian when it's all said and done.